Yes, Pooja and Putsa. Just demonstrate your.
You also record your camera.
The topic of the proposal is the mental health.
Loudly.
Mental health. Mental health is as important as to the physical health. As we have shown here that ahara, which is important for maintaining the mental health. That is, ahara is divided into three parts: satvika, tamsika, and rajasika. And here are a few other chikitsas in Ayurvedic managements: Deva Vipashraya, Yukti Vipashraya, and Sattva Vajra. In Deva Vipashraya, we will manage by doing the spiritual meditations by japas, mantras, homa, and by Yukti Vipashraya we manage by doing shodhana and shamana. In Sattva Vajra, we will restrain mind from the bad desires like kama, krodha, bhaya, irsha, like this. And in Satvika, Rajasic, Tamasic, these are the three different types of ahara. Satvika, which consists of pure food, which is not the processed one, and it is laghu in digestion, and which is rich for prana. Some examples are dadima, amlaki, and Rajasic food, which are too bitter, too salty, hot, pungent.
Asatmya Indriya Artha Samyoga means misuse of Indriya Artha, and Prajna Parada are doing crimes towards wisdom or intellect. So there are two reasons for mental illness, which includes imbalance of Triguna and Panchamahabhuta. When three gunas are in balance, then mental health is in balance. So it includes ahara vihara also, or addictions like guilty pleasures and addiction leads to emotional confusion and depression. And statistics of mental health, according to WHO, 300 million people in whole world are suffering from mental illness. In India, 50 to 65 million people are suffering from mental illness. So in India is one among the country for depression. It is first country for depression.
Depression is the leading cause of suicide among adults.
The treatment of mental illness in Ayurveda has three principles, which include Daiva Vyapasya, Yushti Vyapasya, and Sattva Vajaya. Daiva Vyapasya include chanting of mantra, homa, havana, and doing yagna and religious rites. And Yukti Vyapasya include medicinal treatment. It is in two principles, either shamana or shodhana. It includes some important drugs which help in treating mental illness, that is Shankha Pushpi, Ashwagandha, Yashtimadu, Brahmi, which include Daiva Vyapasya, Yushti Vyapasya, and Sattva Vajaya. Daiva Vyapasya include chanting of mantra, homa, havana, and doing yagna and religious rites. And Yukti Vyapasya include medicinal treatment. It is in two principles, either shamana or shodhana. It includes some important drugs which help in treating mental illness, that is Shankha Pushpi, Ashwagandha, Yashtimadu, Brahmi, and Shiro Abhyanga and Shirodhara is the main treatment for mental illness, Panchakarma treatment. And in Sattva Vajaya, counseling therapy, that is psychotherapy, that talking with your doctor and speaking with anybody treats mental illness, and self-care and self-help is the key for mental illness. And meditation and yoga therapy is also important for treating mental illness. And lastly, this sloka explained by Charaka Acharya, that is Dhi Dhairya Atmadi Vijnanam Manodosha Aushadam Param. Proper judgment, motivation and self-awareness is the key for mental health. Thank you.
Just explain.
Good evening everyone. Today we are promoting mental health through Ayurveda. So first, before we have to define what is health. So while defining health, Acharya Sushruta gave the definition: Samadosha Samadhisha Samadhatu Malapriyaha Prasanna Indriya Manaha Sasta Ityabhidiyate. So in Ayurveda we give prime importance to mental health. So mental health is not only related to only one's, but it is also related to physical health. When our physical health is good, so automatically our mental health is good. So the main causes for mental illness are two main causes. Those are Asatmya Indriya Samyoga, Artha Samyoga, and Prajna Parada. Asatmya Indriya Artha Samyoga means misuse of Indriya Artha, and Prajna Parada are doing crimes towards wisdom or intellect. So there are two reasons for mental illness, which includes imbalance of Triguna and Panchamahabhuta. When three gunas are in balance, then mental health is in balance. So it includes ahara vihara also, or addictions like guilty pleasures and addiction leads to emotional confusion and depression. And statistics of mental.
Everyone, myself Rahul. We done a course of mental health through Ayurveda. Here we explained that what are the don'ts and do's for to maintain mental health. Here don'ts. For example, Kotara Vachana Viruddha Rati Jagana. By doing Rati Jagana, the body will not secrete the melanin, so that sleep will be reduced and the person goes to heal. So we can't do that. Not do that. And for Ati Vayama, by eating Viruddha Aharas also, or Kama, Krodha, Loga, Mada, Matsara. By doing all this, the person become mental ill. So one should follow the Dinacharya according to Ayurveda. Acharya Charaka in Sutra Swami said that Nidrayitam Sukam Dukam Ayasasya Yithayam. And for here Dinacharya, by doing Dinacharya, Ruticharya and the proper sleep and proper food we should take, and by doing a major asana also we can maintain our proper mental health. By doing all this, one should turn our lifestyle towards Ayurveda. We can maintain our mental health properly. Thank you.
Also the Acharya Prasad. Yeah, please explain your painting.
As we all know, mental health is comprised of psychological, emotional, and social well-being of a person. If we are Raga, Dvesha, Tama Bhava, if we are not controlling everything properly, then if we are not controlling everything in a proper manner, then we will lead to so many mansik doshas. So we all have to control our anger, everything, then emotions. And if you are having any problem with your mental health, emotionally you are depressed or something, then you should consult any adult or someone whom you trust, or any doctor. They can help you in any way. So speak yourself and love yourself. Don't degrade yourself and accept as you are. That is all regarding mental health.
What exactly that mass color is depicting of?
सर जो भी रोड्स रहता है वो वाटर से करता है, जो भी मतलब जो आपने मास्क जैसा दिखाए और वाटर ये सब फीलिंग है, मतलब क्यूटनेस है, शांत।
Because these are the way to maintain the mental health. You say that ये सभी करके mental health maintain.
अच्छा मानसिक चिकित्सा
Okay, next.
ये जो भी है वो अर्थ है, जो कि अपन बॉडी है ऐसा कंसिडर करे। ये जो भी है वो फीलिंग है, और ये हर्ट है। हर्ट अपन रूट जैसा दिखाए। ये ट्री है जो कि अपना जो भी मेंटल हेल्थ है वो कैसा अपन अच्छे से रख सकते हैं। फिर बाद में अपन संगीत मतलब जो भी म्यूजिक है, सत्वाहार, अच्छा फूड खा के, अच्छा व्यायाम करके, एक्सरसाइज करके, प्रार्थना अपन अच्छा पी के, अध्ययन स्टडी कर सकते हैं। प्राणायाम से अपन अपना मेंटल हेल्थ अच्छे से रख सकते हैं। फिर अपन अपने सोसाइटी में कुछ थोड़े लोग रहते हैं जो भी ऐसा पर्सन को बोलते कि बाबा तुम डम हो, नेगेटिव हो, अगली हो, वीक हो, स्टूपिड हो। तो ये भी जो भी वर्ड्स है इनसे अपने को स्ट्रॉन्गर बनने का, इसीलिए नॉट एवरी डिसेबिलिटी इज विजिबल।
This is related with mental health. Not every disability is visible. Some are hidden, like depression, anxiety.
और डिप्रेशन को अपने को
Control करना होता है. That is all regarding mental health.
What exactly that Maharashtra standard is depicting of?
सर जो भी रोड्स रहता है वो वाटर से रहता है, जो भी मतलब जो आपने मास्क जैसा दिखाए और वाटर फीलिंग है मतलब।
Some examples are dadim, amlaki, and rajasic food, which are too bitter, too salty, hot, pungent, which is not good for our health, and which increase the anger. Are the rajasic ahara. Examples are the dal which are ushna in nature, and tamasic ahara, which are tasteless, decomposed, and putrefied, which increase the krodha and cause irsha.
is managed by British management, that is Daivaprashna, Yuktivaprashna and Sakravajaya. In Daivaprashna, which gives enchanting mantras and spiritual meditation inspiring. Yuktivaprashna by Shodhana and Samana Chikitsa. And Sakravajaya restrain mind from the bad desires. In Satvikahara, we have to pure food, which increase the strength, energy, and rich in the prana, and which is light in digestion. And Rajasika ahara, which are too bitter and too sour, which increases the krodha. And Tamasika ahara, which are tasteless and decomposed, and the food is kept overnight, and this increases the krodha, irsha, and fear.
Okay. Move on to the next participant.
After that, if required, repeated bastis. Bhuya word is used. You can go through in the Unmada Chikitsa Sutra.
Okay, sir. In Basti, we go for aggravated doshas, that is Vata dosa. That's why it clears the mind and all the doshas removing in intestinal colon, sir. Then in Daiva Vapasya Chikitsa, we go for chanting of the mantras, Yagna, Homa, Upavasa, and other Pratish Pranitya, sir. That we go, sir. In it also includes Panchakosha, sir. No, sir. Yukti Vapasya Chikitsa also includes Shirodhara. Shirodhara, it clears the mind and induces sleep, insomnia. It prevents insomnia, sir. And it gives good mental health. Then it goes for
And
Panchakosha.
in Daiva Pashra, another thing you can tell Mani, Mantra,
Mani,
Aushada,
Aushada.
and this one Upavasa is there, and what else?
Upavasa,
Aushada Dharana,
Yagna, Homa.
Niyama, Prayachita,
Yes, sir. Then
and another word is there. Doing the namaskar to the devata always
doing namaskar.
by bending.
In elders also we can use it.
Yes.
And in Daiva Vapasya Chikitsa, we use Panchakoshas. In Annamaya, there are 5 Panchakoshas. Annamaya Kosha, Pranayama Kosha, Manomaya, Vignamaya and Vignanamaya and Anandamaya Kosha. Compared to all this, Anandamaya Kosha is very blissful. By comparing Annamaya Kosha and Pranamaya Kosha, we use Manomaya Kosha. In Annamaya Kosha, the one person has to take food according to the types of their body, Agni, the digestive fire, and dosha predominates. In Pranamaya, we have to do meditation, exercise, and all the mental relieving factors. In Manomaya, it includes all. In Ayurveda, main focus is on prevention is better than cure, sir. To the mind, Manomaya is also given more importance. Then in
And
Sattva,
Sattva Chikitsa,
it
like a single line explanation is there, no? That we have seen.
sir, that is Manonigraha.
Manonigra from the Ahita,
Ahita, Ahara,
Ahita Artha, sir.
Ahita Artha, sir. By counseling, by interacting each other, our problems we should share to the relatives, friends, or that, so we can relieve our mental health. So that's all we can say.
Good. Good presentation.
Okay, nice.